I'm currently up Nets Canyon, just above the ridge line on it. It's this trail that, it's not really a trail, you're kind of have to go track up here, but it gets a really good view of the valley from over here. But since the weather's rolled in, you can't really see anything. So I'm kind of forced to look up at this tree up here. And as I came up, there was another tree in the distance that was kind of covered in the haze, or the fog and the snow. But now that the weather has completely rolled in, the second tree you can't see up there. So I'm kind of just waiting for the weather to clear out so that I can actually have my composition. And if, you know, I mean, I can wait, but if I have to wait too long for that tree to show up, then I have to figure out another thing. But all in all, we got really good conditions, so just gotta wait and be patient. So it cleared up, and I was finally able to get shots of these trees. So it's okay image, I think. I think the balance of the trees works out nice. But now the peak is starting to clear up, and I'm just kind of looking for interesting cloud patterns and quick fix over here, see if I can get some cool stuff. So just gotta sit here and wait. I don't know if the peak's gonna reveal itself or not, but we'll see. Well, I don't think this peak's gonna reveal itself. Been waiting here for a while, and there's kind of other spots I want to go shoot, so we're gonna head back down. And just look for more spots, yeah? Got a couple in mind. So just as I'm starting to hike down, the mountain is starting to reveal itself and creating some really cool light. And yeah, just kind of sitting here enjoying it, just taking shots every couple seconds every time I see something interesting. So hopefully we get a cool kind of cloud pattern with the light. Mist is rolling in, it's looking really beautiful.
just made it back down. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the images. I think we got some good ones. I'm glad the weather was able to clear when I was trying to get those 2 tree shots. I was pretty happy about that. And I'm pretty happy that the weather started clearing as we started walking down. So, yeah, I'm gonna go back to the computer a little later today and see what the images look like, because you never really know. Look on the back of your screen, so you kind of just have to wait and see. So if I can go back home, have a little bit of coffee, maybe a little bit of some late breakfast, and go back out to another location. Well, I'm back out after a pretty decent break, and I make some nice coffee and food. But now I'm at the base of a place called Storm Mountain up in Big Cottonwood Canyon. And the snow came down pretty hard, and it's still coming down. It's a very wet snow, a lot of humidity in the air, so everything's getting wet. But we are getting nice snow cover. So I'm just kind of wandering around the forest, trying to see if I can find any sort of useful composition. But as you can see around me, it's very chaotic. So I'm gonna have a look around even more, but we'll see. So, I kind of walked around the base of this little mini meadow for about 30 minutes. I can't really find anything that sticks out to me. I mean, there's just piles and piles of trees everywhere. It's kind of hard to find like a harmonious composition. I mean, that's how forest photography is anyway. But this is just piles and piles of just trees and branches on top of each other. So I'm gonna have a look over at the stream. There's a stream over here. I'm gonna just take a look at. Hoping to get a nice wintry forest shot, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. So, recording? Yeah. I think I'm trying way too hard to force the scene here. I don't think it's really the right spot to make that composition, but I can't really figure it out. Scene looks nice, but you know, I think we're gonna have to settle with a halfway decent shot. But I think I'm gonna call it on there. Two decent images today. I'm not sure. You'll see them. Almost forgot. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. It means a lot to me that you made it to the end. So